Good morning, dreamers. It is super early. We're at 6:30 this morning, and it's sad to say, but we have to get off the Navigator of the Seas. It is time to head home. But before we do that, we're going to take you on a quick tour of this ship. It is huge, and there's so much to see. Hunter and I didn't do all of it while we were on board. So let's go on a tour of the Navigator of the Seas. right, time for breakfast.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
At this time, we kindly ask for the following guests to please proceed to guest services desk located on deck
Someone's
number
in trouble.
5. Mr. John Kin.
All right, let's go ahead to breakfast.
Dexter
Breakfast!
Bernard, deck number 5.
Bye, Grandma.
I'll see you in a little bit. So we're gonna go to a little cafe called the Promenade Cafe. And, we told Grandma the wrong directions. Hopefully she can find it. Anyway.
We told her to go up.
Oh,
We told her to go up the stairs.
Grandma's meeting us for breakfast. So, all right, so we're going to the Promenade Cafe for breakfast. It's a quick little service type thing, which is awesome. We didn't want to go to the buffet and have a really heavy breakfast. So we're gonna go grab a cup of coffee and a pastry. And I love that Royal Caribbean has that option for you. And you just kind of show up in your leisure and enjoy breakfast before you leave. Kind of like that. We didn't even finish our coffee and they called our number so we can go ahead and get off the ship. Dear. But such an easy process on Royal. I love it. Super easy. So we are about to go through customs, which means I have to put the camera down. So thanks so much for joining us for our amazing adventure to the Bahamas on the Navigator of the Seas. Give us a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed the video and make sure you subscribe so you can join us on all of our travel adventures and tips and tricks along the way. Keep on dreaming and we'll see you next time. Bye. Love you all.